Hi guys, today is Friday, September 4th, and we have a few things that we accomplished today in class. Number one, make sure that you have gone on to your HMH. Let's see if I can get rid of this for a second. Make sure you go on to your HMH and turn in. You guys have a different toolbar up here at the top. Next to Discover, you have a little assignments one. Make sure you click that, and then there'll be a button where you can say, I'm done with an assignment. So number one, make sure that you say you are done with the Dawn Wall. That's what we read yesterday, and that assignment was due today. And then also make sure that you turned in Queen of Chess. And if you did that one on paper copy, you can take a picture of it, but I would like all of the submissions from now on, if you are an e-learner, to be turned in through the website. So to start off with today, we're going to review vocab, and all I am going to do is give you a sentence starter, and then after each sentence starter you can pause me and then give yourself a minute to think of an answer and then go to the next one. So to remind you, your vocab words for this story were sheer, and that means like a straight vertical cliff would be a sheer drop off. Ascending means that it is going up. Rank is if you rank something in order, like first, second, or third. Analysis is looking at data, like the principal was looking at test data and analyzing it. He's looking closely at it. And then variations was the picture of the cat, and the cat was calico and had variations of color in its fur. So your sentence starters are, the first one, safety tips to follow when walking around a sheer drop include. Your second one, if your car has been ascending for a while, it is fair to assume that. Your third one, online lists rank things such as. And your fourth one, to complete an analysis of a movie, you could. And so those are just you thinking. There's nothing to turn in for that. And then the next thing I want to do is talk to you real quick about central idea again. I don't remember if 6th grades had this mini lesson or not, but we're going to review it. Central idea is just simply the main message of the text. You probably heard it called the main idea. And when you are looking for central idea, the things that help you figure it out are the headings, visuals. First and last sentence sometimes tell you the main idea of the paragraph or the piece, and repeated words. If you notice a word is repeated over and over, then that means it's really important, and that's mostly what the text is about. And then examples, facts, evidence, and descriptions help to support the main idea. And if you open up your My Book to page 42 and 43 of the Dawn Wall, what I need you to do is reread those 2 pages and try to figure out what the central idea is. You can then write your answer on page 18 in this document. It says central idea at the top. Trying to not show you what Riley wrote, but it's page 18 in the PDF. I think I posted that sometime around August 27th maybe. There's a PDF file that you can get those pages and print them off. And I'll even give you our central idea. Obviously you can pause me and think of your own. If you would like to pause me and try it on your own, please do that now. All right, so we said the central idea is The Dawn Wall is the most challenging free climb in the world. So you can copy that down for number 1 on page 18 if you need to. And then the second part is number 2 on that page says, what text evidence supports the main idea? Well, you can take a highlighter or a pencil in your hard copy and write in there and underline any sentence that helps to back up our main idea. Any sentence that supports the fact that the Dawn Wall is the most challenging free climb in the world. Then, after you've highlighted it, you're going to write it in for number 2 on page 18. And you're going to start your sentence with the text states, comma, quotation mark, then whatever piece of evidence you found in the text, period, end quotation mark. And that is how you'll answer number 2. Those both need to be complete sentences with capital letters and punctuation. All right. And next, where did I put it? Oh, it's right in front of me. Next, we talked about a few Latin and 1 Greek root. A root is a basic word part that carries meaning. Many words we use in the English language have roots from the ancient languages of Latin and Greek. Learning the meanings of common Greek and Latin roots can help readers understand the meanings of many words that contain the same roots. The following Latin roots are found in many English words. Tract, meaning pull, duck, meaning lead, tribute, meaning to pay or give, and the common Greek root graph means written, drawn, or recorded. Now you have a spelling spiral. I believe you have a notebook where you've already written X, E, and miser or miser. And this is, I would like you to open that up and you're going to add these in. So you'll date it. Today is 9/4. You get out your spiral notebook so you can pause me, find your spiral. Okay, your spiral's open to the back or wherever it is you wrote X, E, and miser or miser. And you're going to add in, tract means pull. Examples are extract, like vanilla extract, it's pulled out of the vanilla plant. Or distract, you're pulled away from what you're thinking. Duck means lead. Philip gave us the example of a conductor and a producer is the leader of a movie, kinda. And introduce. And I'm not really sure how introduce connects with lead. I'm struggling on that one. And then we have tribute, means to pay or give. If you've heard of the Hunger Games, I volunteer as tribute. I give myself up. And then attribute. I can attribute the fact that you are sleeping through this to the idea that maybe you didn't get enough sleep last night. So I can give you that attribute. How do I say this correctly? If I attribute something to you, it means I give it to you. And the last one is graph, means written, drawn, or recorded. Examples are a biography, it's written about somebody's life, and an autograph is your written signature. The next thing we did was we reviewed vowel, consonant, vowel, and vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and how to split those up. So let's see. I'm going to open a new document here and I'll just type it like I'm writing on a chalkboard. So vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We split it between the two consonants. That's how we break the syllables apart. When we have vowel, consonant, vowel in a word, we break it in front of the consonant, and this part of the word is a long vowel sound. An example for vowel consonant vowel would be paper. We have a vowel A, we have a consonant P, and we have a vowel E. So we would cut it in front of the consonant P, and we do have a long A in paper. And then an example for this is the word little. I have a vowel I, two consonants T's. Oh Lord, that doesn't work. Sorry about that. Let me try a different one. Brisket. There we go. Brisket is a kind of meat from a cow. It's very delicious. And I have a vowel I, two consonants S and K, and a vowel E. So I have two syllables, brisket, and I'm going to cut them in between the two consonants S and K. So that's a quick review. And the assignment then is to do page 16. Let's see, looks like this at the top. It has visor, pilot, rabbit, fever as the first words in the box. And again, it is page 16. So make sure you turn that in for Tuesday. And have a terrific day.